Today is New Year's Eve and we decided to celebrate by making some dumplings. So we went to work chopping up the celery and chopping it a lot.
And also we mixed it up with other ingredients too.
Like some meat and other vegetables as well.
We made the dough to wrap the filling in.
So we got to work. We started rolling and rolling and rolling and a bit more rolling until I was really tired. And that was just like a lot of rolling. Like seriously, a lot. So after rolling some more, we started wrapping it in an ear-like shape. Because in Chinese culture, there was this kingdom which was very cold, and there was this guy who made dumplings and basically saved the kingdom.
After when we finished wrapping the dumplings, we put it in a hot pot.
And my mum started organising them for some reason. After a while, our batch became ready and we were ready to eat, but we still had to make some more because we had some ingredients left. Wow, look at those dumplings! Dumplings, I'll have a half.
Could you say с Новым годом? С Новым годом.
С Новым годом.
Now one more time with a smile, even though it's a face. Okay, 3, 2, 1. С Новым годом.
With that, we finished making our dumplings.
Bye!
See you next time.